Hello Facebook ads people, I'm Konstantinos, and today we're going to explain why excluding past customers from your top of funnel cold traffic campaigns, it's always a bad idea. I meet with a lot of store owners and they all, not all of them, but most of them have the same perception that my Facebook ads need to get me fresh clients all the time. I don't get this concept, to be honest with you, because I consider e-commerce a marathon. I don't consider it a sprint. I don't think that you should always get new clients. You should also have your repeated clients, because Facebook advertisement is not a cheap thing. So if you're not getting anything in the long term out of it, then it doesn't make any sense. So all of the people that they are coming to you and they're buying, you should always try to make them convert again and again, because this is your legacy. It's not only about the one sale that you will get, unless if you have very unique products like a trip to the moon. I guess someone wouldn't go for a second time, okay? So that being said, I need to point out that I'm seeing in a lot of ad accounts people that they're running cold traffic ads and they exclude, for example, all the past visitors of 180 days, people who purchased in the last 180 days. Why? It doesn't make any sense. Even if your top of funnel is going to retarget all of these people again, it is totally fine. Now, let's be honest. Is Facebook stealing some sales of your older customers in the top of funnel? If you are running small accounts, you cannot see that. But if you run big accounts, this is obvious. At least for me, it's obvious that Facebook is doing it. Does it make sense? It makes sense, because Facebook is going to target out of all of these million people, first the people that it thinks that they are going to convert. So some of the people that they might convert later in your bottom of funnel, they might convert earlier in your top of funnel. Does it make any difference? For me, it does, because first of all, whenever I'm doing ads, and I'm never do it, but whenever I see ads that they exclude past customers, I can see that these ads are not doing well. Why though? There is a technical explanation to that. If Facebook is stealing a sale, is it bad? It's not, because this data is going to be used in order to find other people. What do we say? Facebook is finding a sale, and then another sale based on the previous sale, and then another sale based on the previous two sales, and so on and so on. So if the initial sales are coming from your past customers, if this is your top of funnel, and we know how important is the optimization at the top of funnel in order to find new people, let it steal it. It's totally fine. And if you have an honest relationship with your media buyer and you know your numbers and stuff, evaluate all of this based on the actual results that you are getting. It's totally fine. Adapt to the situation, but don't exclude all of the customers just because you want always fresh traffic. Also, I have another video that I have created which is explaining the shop ads, and in the shop ads over there we can see that by spending an enormous amount of money while we're targeting 120 million people, the full potential reach that we reached with a 6 or 7 frequency, okay, in 120 million people we were targeting, spending 10k per day in one ad set. This was a test from Facebook, and we had 6 frequency and we reached 12 million people, which means that maybe the potential reach of all the audiences, it's not true, okay? Most of the times what I like to do is I like to divide them by 10. So that being said, if you're thinking, but yes, Konstantinos, it's 120 million people that we can target there. Let's exclude the 20,000 people that visited my store in the last 30 days or in the last 180 days. Okay, but this is not the actual potential reach, let me tell you that. And another thing is that even if it's getting one sale out of these 20,000 people or 15,000 people that you targeted before, it's good, because this is going to help you find more people in the bigger audience that you are actually targeting. Just to recap, don't do it. It's not a good practice. I think I explained in a technical way why you should not do it and why it's not working when you do it. I can tell you from personal experience, I'm auditing several accounts. I'm talking with several people. Whenever I see this on accounts and I stop doing it, it's improving the results. Okay?
Okay.
Obviously, I don't have an account to show you right now, but you have to believe me on that. That's all I had to tell you about this common mistake that I see all the time, and it's really annoying me because I know that people try to think in a clever way of getting always fresh people, but Facebook doesn't work like this, so this is your technical explanation. Don't forget that if you want to learn more about Facebook ads, you can check my book, or my free course. And until we meet again, guys, be creative and be consistent.